Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to add bleed in Canva to ensure your designs are ready for printing. Let's get started. Right now, we don't have any bleed in our document, but we can easily add it. Simply go to File, then click on Settings and select Show Print Bleed. You'll see a line indicating the bleed area around your design. If your elements don't extend all the way to the bleed, you may need to adjust your background size. Make sure everything fits within the bleed area. Double-click the background photo, extend it beyond the canvas edge, and you'll see it covers the bleed area. To download with bleed, go to Share, then Download and select PDF Print. Choose Crop Marks and Bleed for high-quality printing. If you're printing for yourself, you can use RGB color mode. If you're sending it to a printer, they might require CMYK, a Canva Pro feature. Adding bleed ensures your design looks clean after trimming. That's it. Thanks for watching.